How to optimize your website. Here are top 7 ways for you to optimize website. Number 1. Analyze website. The first and most critical stage in SEO is to examine your website to see what adjustments, if any, are required. This procedure entails evaluating the website's navigation, context, and general aesthetics. You can move forward once you've identified typical concerns. To better start with the website optimization, it is a good idea to create a worksheet. Keep in mind that search engines use domain names, title tags, and header tags to help them rank websites based on relevance. As a result, it's critical to keep your text consistent with the theme of your website. Number 2. Competitors' website. Examine the websites of your competitors. You will have a better understanding of what has to be done if you are familiar with your industry's competitors. Finding the top 5 to 10 competitors in your sector and learning about their strategies, including keywords and site layout, is beneficial. While you don't want to imitate competitor websites' techniques verbatim, understanding their strategies will help you spot flaws in your own. Number 3. Research keywords. Determine keywords that are relevant to the content of your website. Popular search terms that direct users to your site, words relevant to your overall theme, and the topic of a specific page or blog post are all possibilities. There are sites online that can help you analyze keywords, many of which provide free trials, if you're not sure which phrases are popular search terms. Number 4. Metadata tags. Include meta and title tags in your content. The meta tag in HTML has no effect on the content that is seen on the page. Meta tags are only used by search engines and other bots. The following are some examples of how you can utilize meta tags to improve your website's search rankings. Put a meta title tag at the beginning of each page to let search engines know what the material is about. Because search engines frequently use the meta description tag to describe a site in search results, be sure it's accurate. Add a meta keyword tag to each page to let search engine bots know what the most significant keywords are. Remember that while Google search bots don't look at meta keywords, other search engines do. Number 5. Traffic reports. Create some traffic reports as a starting point. These reports are used to determine the current traffic to your website in order to understand what kind of activity is occurring, where your traffic is coming from, and which pages on your website are the most popular, as well as how they are now ranked. If you haven't already done so, you should do so for at least a month to obtain a sense of your current traffic volume. Because the reports will be utilized to assess activity prior to your enhanced performance, this phase is critical in the SEO procedure. To get latest videos, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Number 6. Frequently update content. Continue to add more content. New material is essential for keeping site users engaged and returning for more. As a result, your search engine rankings will improve. Keep in mind that each page should include at least 400 words while creating fresh material. For best results, update your content at least once a week. Site improvement is a continuous process. It's all about keeping up with and outperforming your competitors. Number 7. Avoid frames. When at all possible, avoid using frames. Frames, which are becoming less popular, allow you to divide a page into sections and separate static information to reduce download times. Using frames, on the other hand, can prohibit search engine bots from accessing your complete site. This difficulty could be solved by providing a sitemap.